Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Gmail IMAP is enabled and that you can generate an app password if you use two-step verification. Once done, open Outlook and choose Add Account. Enter your Gmail address and click Connect. Outlook will attempt auto configuration. If auto setup pauses, switch to manual setup and pick IMAP. These steps let Outlook fetch mail folders reliably and keep Gmail as the source of truth for sync and label handling. You now finish the detailed connection. Choose IMAP, set IMAP. Gmail, COM with port 993 and SSL, then set SMTP. Gmail, COM with port 587 and startles for outgoing mail. Make sure your username is the full Gmail address. If Outlook prompts for Google sign-in, use OAuth to authorize access. Otherwise, paste an app password if required. These choices ensure proper folder sync, reliable sending, and that labels map cleanly to Outlook folders. You finish by subscribing to the Gmail folders you need in Outlook and mapping sent/trash to Gmail equivalents, so actions sync both ways. Send a test message and check folder propagation. Adjust sync settings for how much mail to download. If messages fail to send or folders don't update, verify IMAP is enabled in Gmail, confirm ports and SSL/startles, and reissue an app password or reauthorize OAuth. This single troubleshooting tip fixes most connectivity issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.